also, because trigonometry, you know that how the topic, without the previous concepts you cannot understand the present topic, right? That is sum and difference formulas I have given to you, multiple angles formulas I have given to you, and trigonometric ratios and some identities, right? Now we'll try to have the concept of, as usual, the distance between the 2 points we have started in the previous class. And once I can revise all the points what we have taught in the previous class, and few of the examples are also discussed in the last class, guys. Yeah, so these are the points in the previous class. First point is distance between the 2 points, distance from the coordinate axis, and corresponding examples. Only 2-3 examples we have discussed in the previous class, right? We'll try to continue the same topic, but we can add one more formula, because already we are finding the distance, we are using the distance concept. The same picture, the same diagram I'm going to use for finding the slope of the line segment, slope of the line. So we have the 2 points A and B as usual. Even in the previous class that I have discussed, in a plane we are taking 2 points A and B, right? So if I'm having 2 points in a plane, 2 points in a plane, that A point is located is here. Here I'm taking just A point, whose coordinates will be x1 comma y1, and another point located somewhere else here, B point, x2 comma y2. Let us join them. These 2 points can be joined, right? And the same figure even we used for finding the distance formula. Let us take the perpendiculars from x and y axis, join them. You will get the triangle that is also the right angle triangle, and this must be C point. Suppose even in trigonometry we use the angle between these 2 lines will be represented by theta, and this is already I have given to you the difference of y coordinates, and this length is the difference of x coordinates. You know that if theta is an inclination, yes, 1 second please. If theta, we can call it as an inclination, or we can also call it as an angle, inclination, then slope is nothing but, slope is tangent of inclination, tangent of inclination, tan theta. Why? Because if you are observing, it is same as tan theta concept. It is same as tan theta. Harshal, can you tell me what is the formula for tan theta by using its sides? What is the formula for tan theta?
Sir, opposite upon adjacent.
Opposite upon adjacent. Very good. So can you tell me according to the right angle triangle as I have given in the plane?
Sir, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1.
I mean, indirectly it is BC upon AC.
Yes, sir.
As you said, it is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1.
Minus x2 minus x1.
Yeah. So it is denoted by M, the letter M. It is M is equal to what? Difference of y coordinates. It's not necessary to take only y2 minus y1. If you want, you can take y1 minus y2 also. Difference of y coordinates. Difference of y coordinates upon difference of x coordinates. Upon difference of x coordinates. Difference of x coordinates. And you cannot interchange its numerator and denominator. Sir, I want to take first x coordinates in numerator and y coordinates in denominator. No, you cannot do like this, because the inclination in Hindi we can call it as a dhalan. It is like sliding, right? Slides. So it is a difference of y coordinates upon difference of x coordinates. If you want, you can take y1 minus y2, then denominator should be x1 minus x2 only. Don't change the parameters. Or you can take y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1. As I said, whenever you are finding an inclination, always this line, that is horizontal line, will be fixed. One line is fixed, another line will be moving. This is the moving line. So it is moving line, right? Suppose if I'm taking the inclination with respect to this x-axis, always the inclination can be measured with the horizontal line. The third point I can write, always angle theta can be measured in anti-clockwise direction, and clearly he will mention, Anna, with positive x-axis, with the positive direction of x-axis. So always we'll try to take horizontal line is a base for us. Horizontal line. This is one important point to be noted. And under this, I can have few more points. First, listen carefully. And if you're having any doubts, I'll try to clarify your doubts, guys. First, listen carefully. So when I'm finding an inclination, what I'm going to take, just I'm taking 2 points on a plane, A and B, 2 points are there. Let us have the right angle triangle, and it is same as tan theta. So inclination is nothing but tan theta. Indirectly, we can, slope. The slope is nothing but tangent of that inclination. It is denoted by tan theta, and sometimes it is m, represented by m. So simply we can call it as difference of y coordinates upon difference of x coordinates, right? And sir, what happened to the inclination of horizontal line, the line which is parallel to x-axis? Point number 4, slope of horizontal line. Slope of horizontal line.
Sir, what's the difference between slope and inclination?
Inclination is an angle, slope is nothing but tan of that angle.
Sir, graphically, what is the slope, sir, in the picture?
Yeah, it is sliding. Slide. Slope
From-
means it is one point to another point. It is like sliding.
Slant.
Okay.
Yeah. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, I mean, in children's, I mean, when we enter into the park, always the you people are preferred to slide. Am I correct? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. So what is
And this
M,
is the
sir?
base, and then the height.
So
Yes,
what is
please.
M, sir? Okay.
M is representation of that slope. So one parameter will be taken for representation of this slope.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Distance means we are taking AB like that. Slope means it is M. And slope of horizontal line is, anyone? Slope of horizontal line. This is your X. And he has given one horizontal line. This is a line L. What is the slope of this horizontal line to X?
0, sir.
Horizontal line is 0. Very good. Why it is 0 means
It
no
does not make any
angle.
angle.
Yeah, we don't have any angle between these two lines. So if they have an angle, they must be intersect at somewhere else. No, they are parallel to each other. They never intersect. I mean, no inclination will be given to you. No inclination will be made. No such angle can be made. Theta value is 0. Theta is 0 means then what is M? M means slope that is a tangent of that inclination. You know that what is meant by tan 0? Is it 0 or not? 0. That is what I said. The slope of horizontal line is 0. We proved also. And what happened to the fifth point I can discuss here? The slope of vertical line. Slope of vertical line. As I said, if one line is given, your baseline is x-axis. Slope of vertical line, this is your x, and the line is vertical means perpendicular to this line. This is your line. What is an
90
angle made
degrees.
by this line?
Right angle.
90 degrees. Very good. That means what is the slope of this
Infinite,
vertical
sir.
line? Very good. Is, can I write not
Yes,
defined?
sir. Not defined is the exact term.
Very good. It is not defined. Why? Because your theta value is 90 degrees, guys. And what is the slope of this perpendicular line? I can take it as tan theta means 90 degrees. Tan 90 degrees means you can write infinity or undefined or anything divided by 0. The slope of horizontal line is what? It is a 0. Slope of vertical line is what? It is not defined. These are the two important points to be remembered. Clear? I think we don't have any doubts in distance concept. Similarly, in slope, it takes an important role, guys. This point takes an important role. Clear? Now, we'll try to have, suppose two lines are there. And I don't want to depend upon this x-axis, that is the parallel line. When we have the two lines are there. Suppose he's asking the angle between the two lines. The sixth point is, what is the slope of one particular line? Can we denote this with m or not? Yes, please. What is the slope of the given line? Is it depends upon, it is represented by m?
Yes, sir.
Right. I'm taking this is one line and this is another line. I'm taking this line is L1 and this line is L2, and the slope of this line will be M1. The slope of another line will be M2. The angle between these two lines will be, take it as theta. Suppose he is asking the angle between these two lines. Let theta be the angle between two lines. Theta be the angle between two lines L1 and L2 whose slopes are none of the same points you are going to discuss in maths and physics of your 11th and 12th standard. Same points. Without this, you cannot understand the first chapter of your mathematics. Theta be the angle between the two lines whose slopes are, what are the slopes that I have given to you? M1 is the slope of the first line and M2 is the slope of the second line, respectively. Then tan theta is equal to, one important formula will be given to you for finding the angle between the two lines whose slopes are given. M1 minus M2 divided by 1 plus M1 into M2. This is the formula for finding the angle between any two lines whose slopes are given to you. That M1 and M2 is given to you and is asking angle between these two lines. That is theta. If you are representing whose slopes are M1 and M2, tan theta is equal to modulus. As I have given the usage of the modulus, the importance of the modulus, which will give only positive values. No negative values will comes when we use modulus. Absolute value function. Modulus means what? It is the absolute value function which converts negative values to positive, negative quantity to positive quantity. Hope you can understand. These are 4-5 points, guys. related to the today's concept, just what? Slope. And we'll
Sir?
have the questions related to this concept. Before that, if you're having any doubts, you can raise your
Sir, I
hands.
have a doubt.
Yes.
Sir, can you scroll it down?
I mean, in which point you are having doubt? Up or
Sir,
down?
sixth point,
First
sir.
point. Point
Sixth
number
point,
6.
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, can you show the figure?
For this, sir?
Yes, sir. Sixth one. M1, L1.
Hmm. Yes.
Sir, here L1 and M1 are same
L2.
and L2 and M2 are same, sir.
L1 is one line. Whose slope is M1? Slope means how to find out the slope of the line. We require 2 points. Here A point is given to you and here B point is given to you. The slope of AB will be M1. What is M1? The slope of these 2 points. Slope of AB. Clear?
Yes,
He
sir.
will give 2 points related to this line. Similarly, M2 means we require another 2 points on the same line segment C and then D. What is M2? Slope of CD. Slope of CD. What are the values of CD? C and D are 2 points on the line L2. A and B are 2 points on the line L1. Clear?
Sir, can you scroll up? Sir,
Yes, please. Yes, please. Still,
okay.
you have any doubts regarding to any concept in just a slope, guys? Only slope, and I can add few more points in the last concept, that is the 6th one. I can add just 2 more points. Yes, Ritvik.
Sir,
Yes, you can
tan
ask.
theta is equals to m1 minus m2. This is from trigonometric ratios, no, sir?
That is different. Here I am taking the 2 lines as I have shown in the figure. Whenever slopes are given, that point I am using the trigonometric concept. I am using only for finding the what? Slope. Only for finding the slope. Slope is what? Tangent of tan of the inclination, the angle which can be made by 2 lines. And it is not related to your trigonometry, the formula which I have given to you. In 11th standard, if it is necessary, we'll try to prove. Is it clear? Any other doubts, guys? I'll try to have 2 more points here. Let us see what are the 2 points I'm going to discuss here. Suppose, just now I spoke to you, first point, if 2 lines are parallel, if 2 lines are parallel, 2 lines are parallel, so can we have the angle between the 2 lines? What is an angle between 2 parallel lines? If 2 lines are
0.
parallel, theta value 0. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very
Yes,
good. That means I'll get M1 is equal to M2. Sir, how you will get M1 is equal to M2? Let us see. Since tan, as you said, theta value is equal to 0, tan 0 is equal to, the right side we have the same modulus. Tan 0 value is 0 or not? M1 minus M2 divided by 1 plus M1 M2. Is it clear, guys? The right side value M1 minus M2 divided by 1 plus M1 M2. If I'm taking cross multiplication, left hand side value will become 0 and denominator entire part will become 0. Right side is what? M1 minus M2. Both sides just removing the modulus. M1 minus M2 is equal to 0. As I said, M1 is equal to M2. So when we have 2 parallel lines, the corresponding slopes are equal. Because these are the 2 lines, guys. This is one line and this is another line. The slope of these 2 lines must be same because they are in the same path, same direction, L1 and L2. If it is M1, it is also M1. Because they are in the same direction, same path. No inclination will be given to you. Hope you can understand the first point, guys. So whenever he's asking, when the two lines are parallel, then corresponding slopes are equal. So what I can write here? Slopes are equal. Slopes are equal. When they are equal? If the two lines are parallel. I'm going to discuss with the second point, guys, in this same point. If two lines are perpendicular, what is an angle? If two lines are perpendicular, what is angle between the two lines? Very good. It is 90 degrees perpendicular. Bracket lo theta value 90 degrees. Then the condition is m1 into m2 is equal to -1. What is the condition he has given? M1 into M2 is equal to -1. Sir, how will get M1 into M2 is equal to -1? As you said, theta value is 90. Then I can make use of this same formula, since tan 90 degrees is equal to M1 minus M2 divided by 1 plus M1 M2. This is already we have. It is 1 plus M1 M2. 1 plus M1 M2. So we have the modulus, guys. We have the modulus. So tan 90 means anything by 0. Can I write anything by 0? Am I clear? Any doubt regarding to this point? Can I write anything by 0? Can I write anything by 0?
Yes,
So
sir.
I can write 1 by 0 or 2 by 0 or something divided by 0. Because tan 90 value is undefined. Tan 90 is what? It is undefined. Undefined means anything divided by 0. Apply cross multiplication. Just apply cross multiplication. When we do cross multiplication, 1 into 1 plus M1 M2 is equal to 0 into M1 minus M2. So what is M1 into M2? Is it -1 or not? It is -1. So this is the second point from the concept of the same angle problem, angle concept. Is it clear, guys? If two lines are parallel, slopes are equal. If two lines are perpendicular, product of their slopes is equal to -1. Yes, please, you can ask your doubts now. If you are having any doubts regarding to this concept. Only from slope. We people have discussed only slope today.
Sir, where we use y is equal to mx plus c.
That is equation of the straight line. Different forms of the equation of the straight line.
Okay, sir.
It is a different forms of the equation of the straight line. Clear? So after finding the slope, I'll go for the equation of the straight line. Can I go for the examples related to this concept?
Yes, sir.
Just for finding the slope of the straight line passing through the following points. Find the
Can
slope.
you scroll up?
Yes, yes.
Once can you scroll up, sir?
For what? For which point?
Sir, for the fifth point. Yes, sir. The slope of vertical line is not defined, they gave no, sir.
Yes.
That
Yes.
means we cannot tell, sir, like it can be any value or it does not have any value.
Does not exist.
But you wrote infinity, no, sir. That means everything comes under it.
No, no. Infinity means we cannot define it. We cannot define. It is like an ocean. Clear? Tan 90 degrees, it is undefined value.
That
Okay.
means we cannot tell, or doesn't it exist?
No, no. It is not defined. It is not defined. We cannot tell. It is like an ocean. That is what I'm telling. We don't have any boundary. Slope of two particular points will be given to you. Some region will be given to you. So it is 90 degrees means perpendicular. Tan 90, it is undefined value. It is unbounded. Clearly what we can call unbounded.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, please.
Sir, tan theta, if theta is equal to 0, m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2, and if theta is equal to 90 also same, sir.
Formula is same, but tan value will give different. See here, tan 0 is 0, tan 90 is undefined. It depends upon the value of tan theta, that inclination, that angle. Based upon an angle, the right side value changes. So when two lines are parallel, the slopes are equal. How? Because tan theta value is 0 here. For parallel lines, no angle between the two lines. No angle will be there. For perpendicular lines, the angle will be 90 degrees. Perpendicular. Perpendicular means one horizontal, another line will be vertical. The angle will be 90 degrees. Automatically, the left-hand value will be changes. Based upon the left-hand side value, right side formula will be automatically changes. This will give different values. Clear? I can go for the problems related to this slope. What is the formula for finding the slope, guys? Difference of y coordinates upon
X coordinates.
difference of x coordinates. First example, find the slope of the following. Find slope of the following. First problem we have. The 2 points will be given to you. A point, I'll take it as minus 3, 8. B point, I'll take it as 10, 5. He's asking the slope. Let us observe carefully, guys. First point, I can take it as what? X1, Y1, as I said. Second point, I can take it as what? It is X2, Y2. What is the formula? Slope is denoted by M of AB. Slope is denoted by M of AB is equal to Y2 minus Y1 divided by X2 minus X1. If you want, you can take Y1 minus Y2 divided by X1 minus X2. That is 5 minus 8 divided by X2 minus X1, 10 minus X1 value minus 3. This is equal to minus 3 divided by 10 minus of minus 3, that is 10 plus 3, it is 13. What is the slope? M is equal to minus 3 divided by 13 is the required answer. And remember, slope is not the distance, guys. Slope is not the distance. Slope is what? It is a different concept. The difference of y coordinates upon difference of x coordinate. It is not the distance. Remember that point. We'll go for the second problem. A 3, 4 and B 7, minus 6. You can post your answer if you got the correct answer. Just you can post your answer, guys. Just post your answer. Harshal minus 2 by 5. Minus 5 by 2 Rohan. Minus 5 by 2 Sarthak. Linesha minus 5 by 2. Boop Singh minus 5 by 2. Ranveer minus 5 by 2. Minus 2 by 4 Vagdevi. Ashish minus 5 by 2. Minus 2 by 5 Vishnuvardhan. Rohit minus 1. Most of you guys, Avinash, you got minus 5 by 2. Very good. Vardhan results, you got minus 2 by 5. Some of you. Let us see what is the formula I have given to you. M is equal to either y1 minus y2 or y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1. What is y2 value? Minus 6 minus y1 value 4 divided by x2 value 7 minus x1 value, that is 3, is equal to minus 10 divided by 4. It is minus 5 by 2. Absolutely correct. Slope is what? Minus 5 by 2. Next, problem number 3. I am finding the slope of the line segment joining the 2 points. A point will be given as minus p comma q, and B point will be given as q comma minus p. You will get an integer value, Nana. For this question, you will get an integer. You will get an integer value. I'll tell the answer. The options will be given to you. The integer value. Your answer, please. I have given the answer also. You will get an integer.
Sir, can I tell, sir?
No, you can post your answer like 1, 2, 3, 4 or minus 5, minus 6, 0, 3, 4 like that. You can post your answer. You will not get in terms of P and Q. The Samir has given, Vardhan, Vikram, Harshal, Rohan. Yeah, so as I said, you will not get in terms of P and Q. You will get your answer. Jayavardhan, Bhoop Singh, Ranveer, Vagdevi. There is a simple calculation mistake that you people are doing, guys. Be careful. Between y1 and y2, there is a minus sign here. So we can take it as x1 comma y1. First coordinates will be x1 comma y1. Second coordinate, I can take it as x2 comma y2. If I am finding the slope of these two line segments, that is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This is the formula I have given to you. y2 minus y1 means, is it minus p? y2 value minus p.
Q.
Minus q. Very good.
By
Minus
Q
p
plus
minus q divided by
Q
x2
plus
value
Q
q
minus
minus half minus p. This is important for us. That means I'll take minus common from the numerator, p plus q.
Q plus P.
Q minus of minus means it is plus only. So
Q plus
p
P
plus
and
q, p plus q will get cancelled.
minus
You will get just minus 1. Your answer is minus 1.
Yes, sir.
This is important, guys. So let's cancellation will be done here. And problem number 4. Fourth problem. Find the value of x. Find the value of x if the slope of line passing through slope of line passing through the 2 points are given 2 comma 5 and x comma 3 is 2. What he's asking? He's asking the unknown parameter x when slope is 2. The slope already he has given as 2. Already he has given as 2. But what he's asking? He's asking the value of x. How we can find? We can consider a point as x1, y1, 2 comma 5. B point as x2, y2.
Sir will solve, sir.
And clearly he has given
Answer is
M
1.
is equal to 2. Okay. You people have given your answer is 1. Yes, well done. Your answer is 1. Just make use of the same formula. Y2 minus Y1. M means we can take it as Y2 minus Y1 divided by X2 minus X1 is equal to how much he has given. It is 2. Y2 means it is 3 minus 5 divided by X2 minus X1, that is X minus 2, is equal to how much he has given. It is already 2. So 3 minus 5 means it is minus 2 is equal to 2 into X minus 2. The 2 will get cancelled. You will get minus 1 is equal to X minus 2, implies that X is equal to 2 minus 1. So as you said, X value is just 1. Clearly it is 1. Yes. And when two lines are parallel, the slopes are equal or not?
Yes,
As
sir.
I have given to you. So when two lines are parallel, the slopes are equal. The next important problem that I'm going to discuss here, the fifth problem, find the value of y. Find the value of y if the line joining of the 2 points will be given to you, 3 comma y and 2 comma 7 is parallel to the line joining of the points minus 1 comma 4 and 0 comma 6. Right? So here let us consider the slope of the first line. I can take it as A and then B, and this point is C and then D. Clearly what he has given, parallel. The line segment AB is parallel to CD. The corresponding slopes are equal if I'm taking this is M1 and this is M2. So let us find out the value of y, which is an unknown parameter, guys. You got 9 Vagdevi. Very good. We'll try to discuss. We'll try to have whether our answer is correct or not. No problem. Yes, Ranveer is also same answer. Very good, guys. Yeah, difference of y coordinates of AB is equal to difference of y coordinates, y and x coordinate, right? Sarandip also same answer. Absolutely. Yashwant also same. Vikram also same. Very good. Samir also same answer. Very good, guys. It is also a simple question, but the question is different. Shouldn't how he has given and what he is asking. Parallel. Parallel means I'm going to take M1. M1 means clearly it is difference of y coordinates x2 minus x1. That is important for us. Y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. First y coordinates. Y coordinates means 7 minus y divided by 2 minus 3. Right side value, Nanna. What is right side value? So here y coordinate 6 minus 4 divided by 0 minus of minus 1. This is important. 7 minus y divided by minus 1. 2 divided by 1. Correct? 7 minus y is equal to minus 1 into 2, that is minus 2. 7 plus 2.
Minus 2 by 1.
This will be minus, right? So y value is how much? It is 9. Very good. Absolutely correct what you said. It is absolutely correct. Y is equal to 9 is the required answer. You are so good, guys. And the problems which we are finding, they are also correct. And let's try to have few of the problems for your practice for finding the slope of the line segments joining the given points. Okay. So let's have the discussion of the problems for your practice. For your practice. Okay. Now, problem number 1. Find the slope when theta is equal to 135 degrees. Second one, find the slope of the line segment. Find the slope of the line segment. The line segment will be given to you. The points will be 2, minus 5, 4, 6. Next up, problem number 3. Find the slope of the line segment a t1 square, 2a t1, a t2 square, 2a t2. That's it for today, guys. We'll continue in the next class from the same topic. That's it for today. These are the 3 questions for your practice, and we'll try to discuss in the next class.
One is minus 1.
Absolutely. You are so good. Absolutely. Tan theta. Yes, very good. Bye. Good night, guys.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye,
Good night.
sir.
Bye. Good night.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Sir, second question is 4,